Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Process management by OS. Now the first thing which we'll be coming to know is the fact how OS will manage an entire process from a time it enters the OS until the time it starts getting executed and gets over. The overall process takes several stages. So what we know basic, let's try to understand. We have a process or rather a program which we want to execute. So soon it would run. What we basically know or see is the fact that whenever it is needed, process is given to the OS and OS would make it run. Another definition as we go, program in a state of execution is process, but process will not directly get executed. It will have several stages to go about it. Let's try to understand how the stages would go through and what are these stages. When given a process, the first thing it would happen is a command initiated from the OS kernel called create process. The basic job in create process is providing two most important things, ID and attributes. Now what exactly this is? Okay, when you say who are you, the first answer will be obviously your name. Same way, for a process, the most easiest way to identify itself is ID. A unique number which is given to each process running or about to run in OS. Attributes. Attributes can be predefined, presetted or special. By attributes, we mean special rights, basic rights of read write, who is the parent, what it is allowed to do, can it preempt other process, that's when can it stop other process or cannot. Rights and other things together will give a create process system. Once the process is creating, the next job is we need a PCB. So first thing you'll do is give space. Now giving space would simply provide us the answer of where I will store my PCB. So give space for PCB would be the next stage. After given enough space for PCB, the obvious term anybody would like to go through is create and fill PCB. In prior video, we already discussed how exactly PCB is, right from the ID, pointer, counter, register, resources, everything would be set in PCB. Now it is not that immediately system would start. Again, next round, this PCB will be loaded in a memory. So load PCB in a memory, which simply means that this is a memory loaded for ready process. What is ready process? In process lifecycle, we already said that process becomes ready and then running. So this is a queue of ready processes. You will be loading your PCB in a queue. After loading PCB in ready process queue, there will be a scheduler. Scheduler will simply dispatch a given process or rather a selected process for execution. Now, is it direct gonna execute? No. We will further load needed resources. By saying loading needed resources, this can be talked about printer, some file, some database access, some IO which require. And after doing all this, we will finally come across a situation where the process would run. So keeping everything together in a very quick manner, let's try to understand the entire stuff now. When we want a process to be executed by OS, the first thing OS is going to do is to use create process command, which will give a unique identification to process along with all the necessary attributes to the process that include rights, ability, etc. coming into picture. Now, since the process is ready, the first thing process would require is a PCB. So step 2 is to provide space for this PCB. Step 3 is to fill this PCB with the necessary details. Step 4 would be loading this PCB in the memory area where all PCBs of ready processes have been loaded. Step 5. Depending on the scheduling algorithm, one of the process would be selected and dispatched. This dispatch would be a way of telling OS to process that yes, you are selected and you're going out to do your work. Now just before the process can start, the step 6 comes into picture, that is getting all the necessary resources loaded and prepared, and finally we have the execution. So as we can understand, what appeared to us as a simple process being executed by the OS, it is not a direct map. It is going through the entire creation, dispatching and running phase. So this is the process management done by the OS. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.